Eating right is the key to good health. And that path to well-being starts with a simple choice. Now, there's a blender designed with the versatility to help you make that choice. Introducing the all-in-one NutriBullet Blender Combo. This versatile kitchen device is the first blender of its kind that can deliver nutrient extraction in an easy-pour, full-size pitcher or personal single-serving cup. And with the exclusive Easy Twist locking technology, the NutriBullet Blender Combo gives you the flexibility to go from the full-size pitcher for multiple servings to single servings with ease. The NutriBullet Blender Combo's 1,000-watt motor, combined with the precision extractor blade, give you the power to turn ordinary foods into extraordinary nutrition. With multiple speeds and a pulse function, you have complete control over any recipe you create, like savory soups, delicious sauces and dips, creamy, rich nut butters, and everything in between. Plus, NutriBullet's exclusive Extract program is specially designed to create perfect nutrient-extracted smoothies every time. Power, precision, and versatility. One blender with endless possibilities. NutriBullet Blender Combo.